Imagine a drone so small, it could easily be mistaken for a mosquito. In a groundbreaking development, China has unveiled just such a drone, capable of infiltrating the most secure spaces for covert military surveillance. Yes, you heard that right. A drone the size of a mosquito. Let's dive into how this tiny technology could change the game for warfare. And please don't sell this to the public. Right. So, basically, this mosquito drone developed by China's National University of Defense Technology is an ultralight bionic robot designed to mimic the flight of a real mosquito. Weighing under 0.3 grams and measuring just about 1.3 centimeters long, it's the perfect tool for covert operations where larger drones would be too conspicuous. Its body is slender, with 2 leaf-shaped wings and 3 ultra-thin legs that allow it to hover and maneuver silently, just like an insect. So, how does such a tiny device work? Despite its size, the mosquito drone is packed with advanced technology. Inside, it holds miniature cameras and microphones, capable of taking pictures, recording audio, and even picking up electronic signals. The key feature is its ability to fly almost silently, making it nearly impossible to detect, whether inside a building or out in the field. This mosquito drone's primary mission? Covert surveillance. It's perfect for environments where larger drones are too easy to spot. Imagine it infiltrating secure buildings, monitoring enemy positions, or even flying undetected in a city. With its ability to hover and perch, it can remain stationary for longer periods, saving battery life while continuing to spy. The drone's capabilities aren't limited to military use. Disaster rescue is another promising application. It could navigate through rubble to locate survivors or monitor hazardous environments during chemical leaks. So, basically, China first revealed this mosquito drone to the world in a 2025 CCTV broadcast, showcasing the progress made in robotic research at the National University of Defense Technology. While it's still in the prototype phase, the potential applications are huge. Whether for surveillance, search and rescue, or even environmental monitoring, this drone could be a game changer in covert operations.